Okay, so let us look at the concept of trigonometry. So with trigonometry, we are going to use a right-angled triangle. Okay, so with our right-angled triangle, please don't forget the right angle symbol. Now, so with the trigonometry, we want to introduce an angle. Okay, so if angle is introduced, this angle, we want to name the angle theta, right? Good. So with this, we have specific name for the sides, unlike the Pythagoras theorem that we refer to this as a vertical side and the horizontal side. With this angle will change and let us have specific name for the sides. The longer side is still the hypotenuse. Alright, so the hypotenuse. Then where the angle is facing is called the opposite. Okay, so opposite, the opposite side. So this is opposite to the angle. So if the angle is here, that angle will be facing here. Here will be opposite. Okay, so wherever the angle is will tell us what the opposite is. Are you with me? So down here is called the adjacent. Right. Good. So we are going to use this to derive the basic trig ratio. Okay, so the basic trig ratio, the basic trig, let me just shorten the trigonometry ratio. All right, now the three basic trig ratios we have are sine. In short, this is called sine. Okay, and the second one is cosine, and in short is called cos. And the third one we have is tangent. In short, we call it tan. Okay, good. So you want to derive a ratio for this. Okay, a ratio for sine using the right angle triangle with another angle in the right angle triangle together with the right angle. All right, so for easy understanding or for easy remembrance, we have a short form. Okay, so we have so. Okay, so where S stands for sine, O for opposite, and H for hypotenuse. And then we have K, where C for cosine, A for adjacent, and H for hypotenuse. And we have TOA, where T for tangent, O for opposite, and A for adjacent. Okay, now we want to get a ratio, okay, that we'll be using to solve problems. We are getting a ratio that will help us to solve problems. Are you here? Good. So what do you mean? Using the theta here, okay, using the theta, sine, we need an angle, so sine theta will be equal to opposite. As I said, this is opposite divided by hypotenuse. So these are the ratios I'm talking about. Hypotenuse, tenuse. All right, so I will call it ratio, but this can also be written as opposite is to hypotenuse. Do you understand? That's why we call it ratio. Then we have car. All right, so let me do the car here. Car. So let me write the ratio is going to be cos the angle will be equal to, that is adjacent, right? So adjacent on hypotenuse. Then we have tan theta will be equal to opposite on adjacent. Okay, so anytime they ask you to find cos of a certain angle, the ratio or the formula is opposite. Sine of a certain angle is equal to opposite of hypotenuse. Cos of a certain angle is equal to adjacent of hypotenuse. Tan of a certain angle is equal to opposite of adjacent, and we use it to find very soon. In our next lesson, we use it to find the length of sides and also the angles. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.